A well-structured morning routine is more than just a series of tasks. It's a powerful tool for setting the tone for a productive and fulfilling day. By incorporating science-backed habits into your morning, you can prime your mind and body for optimal performance. In this essay, we'll delve into the ultimate morning routine, exploring the scientific underpinnings of each element and providing practical advice on how to seamlessly integrate them into your life. From the moment you open your eyes to the time you embark on your daily endeavors, a well-crafted morning routine can significantly impact your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. It's about creating a positive cascade of effects that ripple throughout your day, enhancing your focus, productivity, and overall well-being. The beauty of a morning routine lies in its adaptability. While the core principles remain consistent, the specific activities can be tailored to your individual preferences and lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned early bird or just beginning to explore the benefits of a structured morning, the key is to find what works best for you and commit to consistency. Let's embark on this journey of optimizing your mornings, empowering you to unlock your full potential and make each day your masterpiece. Waking up early is a cornerstone of a productive morning routine. Studies link early rising to increased positivity, life satisfaction, and cognitive function. The body's circadian rhythm regulates sleep-wake cycles and hormonal fluctuations. Morning sunlight resets this internal clock, signaling it's time to wake up. This triggers cortisol release, promoting alertness and energy. Aligning wake-up time with your body's rhythm optimizes energy and clarity. Start gradually by shifting your wake-up time earlier. Waking up early grants extra time and a head start on the day. After a night of sleep, your body is naturally in a state of dehydration. Replenishing those lost fluids is crucial for kickstarting your metabolism, flushing out toxins, and promoting optimal bodily functions. Starting your day with a tall glass of water is a simple yet powerful habit that yields significant benefits for your physical and cognitive health. Water is essential for numerous bodily processes, including nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and waste removal. When you're dehydrated, your cells struggle to function efficiently, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and decreased productivity. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to rehydrate your body and prepare it for the day ahead. While many people reach for a cup of coffee as their first beverage, it's actually beneficial to delay caffeine intake until after you've hydrated. Coffee, while providing a temporary energy boost, can further dehydrate your body. By prioritizing water intake first thing in the morning, you're setting a healthy precedent for the rest of the day. Keep a refillable water bottle handy throughout the day to remind yourself to stay hydrated. Engaging in physical activity in the morning, even for a short period, offers a plethora of benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. Exercise helps to increase blood flow, boost your metabolism, and improve your mood, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, find an activity you enjoy and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine. One of the key benefits of morning exercise is its impact on mitochondria production in muscle cells. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells, responsible for producing energy. Regular exercise, particularly in the morning, stimulates the growth of new mitochondria, leading to increased energy levels and improved physical endurance throughout the day. To make morning workouts more appealing, try incorporating motivational strategies into your routine. For example, sleep in your workout clothes to reduce friction and make it easier to get going in the morning. Another effective technique is to embrace the eat the frog mentality, tackling your workout first thing in the morning to eliminate the possibility of procrastination. By prioritizing movement in the morning, you'll not only reap the physical benefits, but also experience increased mental clarity, focus, and a greater sense of accomplishment throughout the day. Section 5. Refresh and reflect. The benefits of a morning shower. A morning shower is often seen as a hygienic necessity, but it can also serve as a valuable opportunity for reflection and mental preparation for the day ahead. The act of showering can be incredibly therapeutic, allowing you to wash away the stresses of the previous day and emerge feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on new challenges. Beyond its cleansing properties, a morning shower can also enhance your cognitive function. The warm water and gentle massage of the shower head can help to relax your muscles, reduce tension, and improve blood circulation, all of which contribute to increased alertness and focus. While showering, take a moment to reflect on your accomplishments and set intentions for the day ahead. Visualize your goals and envision yourself successfully navigating the tasks and challenges that lie before you. To further enhance the benefits of your morning shower, consider incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine. Pay attention to the sensations of the water on your skin, the scent of your soap, and the sound of the water cascading around you. This simple act of being present in the moment can help to calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote a sense of grounding as you begin your day. Section 6. Order in your environment, order in your mind. The case for a clean room. The state of your surroundings can impact your mental state and productivity. A cluttered environment can lead to stress, while a tidy space promotes calm and focus. Cleaning your room, as advocated by Jordan Peterson, can lead to positive effects on your well-being. It translates into a sense of order in other areas of life. Starting your day with a small victory, like making your bed, fosters a sense of accomplishment and primes your mind for success. Section 7. Fueling your day. The importance of a healthy breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. After a night of fasting, your body needs a nutritious and energy-boosting meal to replenish its glycogen stores and fuel your brain and muscles for the day ahead. Skipping breakfast can lead to energy slumps, impaired cognitive function, and difficulty concentrating throughout the day. A healthy breakfast should provide a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which work synergistically to stabilize blood sugar levels, promote satiety, and provide sustained energy. Avoid sugary cereals, processed foods, and excessive amounts of caffeine, as these can lead to energy crashes and hinder your focus throughout the day. Some excellent breakfast options include whole grain toast with avocado and eggs, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, or a smoothie packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein powder. Experiment with different combinations and find what works best for your taste preferences and dietary needs. By making time for a nutritious breakfast, you're investing in your physical and cognitive well-being, setting the stage for a productive and energized day. Section 8. Dress for success. The psychology of clothing. The clothes you wear have a powerful impact on your mindset, confidence levels, and even your performance. Dressing for success is not about conforming to societal expectations, but rather about intentionally choosing attire that empowers you to feel your best and show up as your most capable self. When you dress well, you feel good, and when you feel good, you're more likely to perform at your best. The psychology behind this phenomenon lies in the concept of enclothed cognition, which suggests that the clothes we wear can influence our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. For example, studies have shown that wearing formal clothing can enhance abstract thinking and improve performance on tasks that require cognitive effort. To leverage the power of clothing, create a wardrobe that reflects your personal brand and makes you feel confident and put together. Invest in high-quality pieces that fit well and make you feel good when you wear them. Consider creating uniforms or capsule wardrobes, which consist of a limited number of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. By intentionally choosing attire that makes you feel confident and empowered, you're setting a positive tone for the day and priming yourself for success in all areas of your life.